Today, we'll start the pap making process by washing our grains, especially the pearl millet. The smaller the grains, the more the sand. So you need to wash both thoroughly. This is the simplest method of washing for me. First, rinse the grains to remove the floating chaff. Then you put water to cover it completely with enough headroom. Then you mix well and allow it to settle. This will let the sand settle at the bottom. Then you start using your hands like a scoop to start scooping the grains from the top. You keep scooping and getting lower and lower, but make sure you don't pack sand. Tilt the bowl to make it easier to scoop. When you can't scoop anymore without your hand grazing the bottom, drain most of the water till you can see the bottom and lightly scoop whatever you can without packing sand. Then pour out the remaining grains with the sand. I repeated this whole process 5 times till all the sand was gone. You can see no single sand again. Then I did this whole process for the guinea corn, which is actually a more considerate grain. It doesn't have as much sand as the millet, so I only needed to do it thrice. And by the way, all the chaff I removed from both grains, I still washed it to remove sand. You know me now, nothing must waste. I rescued all my grains that I used my money to buy. Now, it's time to pour everything together. Rinse out once, then add water to soak everything. Cover lightly, not tightly. We want it to breathe and release gas as it ferments. We'll now leave it for 24 hours and I'll be back tomorrow.